Greetings to yoga lovers all over the world. In the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's words, yoga is one of the most precious gifts given by Indian sages to humankind. It is said in Bhagavad Gita, Samatvam Yoga Uchhati. It means yoga is a state of equilibrium and equanimity. A very good morning to everyone around the globe. I am Riya Nadkarni from Karnataka Arts College, and I, Pratyusha Godkindi from KLE's Lingraj College, welcome you all. Today we celebrate International Yoga Day because it has many significance in the different parts of the world. Today is the longest day, but in the perspective of yoga, the summer solstice marks the transition from the Uttarayana to the Dakshinayana. We welcome Sri Gajanan Mannikeri Sir, DCC, Belgavi District, along with Cubs and Bulbuls for prayer.
Deep breathe in and chant Om for 3 times. Thank you, sir. Today's yoga asanas will be performed by Satyam Khandekar of Jain Heritage School, Jay Prabhu of RPD College, and Puneet Jadhav of Jain Heritage School. These yogasanas are keeping in mind all the age groups.
General guidelines for yoga practice. Yoga practice should be performed in calm and quiet atmosphere with relaxed body and mind. Yoga practice should be done on an empty stomach or light stomach. Consume small amount of honey in lukewarm water if you feel weak. Yoga should not be performed in a state of exhaustion, illness, in a hurry, or in acute stress conditions. Now we begin with warm ups. Please stand up. First, we begin with neck bending. Stand with feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Keep your palms on the waist. While exhaling, move the head slowly and try to touch the chin in the chest. While inhaling, move the head up and bend back comfortably. Next, we have shoulder stretch. Relax. We have shoulder stretch. Keep the feet together, the body straight, and the arms by the side. While inhaling, raise your both arms sideways above your head with the palm outward. Exhale and bring it down in the same manner. Palms must be opened with the fingers together. Next, trunk movement. Keep the legs about 2 to 3 feet apart. Raise both the arms up to shoulder level with palms facing each other and keep them parallel. While exhaling, twist the body towards the left side so that the right palm touches the left shoulder. Come back with inhalation. While exhaling, Twist the body towards the right side so that the left palm touches the right shoulder. Come back with inhalation. This is one round. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. Relax. We now begin with the Yogasanas. First, Tadasana. Stand with the feet 2 inches apart. Inhale, lift your arms up to the shoulder level in the front. Interlock the fingers and turn the waist outwards. Now inhale, raise the arms up above your head. Raise the heels off the floor and balance on the toes as you raise your arms. Stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds. Bring your heels down. Exhale, release the interlock of the fingers and bring the arms down and come back to standing pose. Benefits of this asana are: this asana brings stability in the body, helps to clear up congestion of the spinal nerves, and correct faulty posture. Next, we have Vrikshasana. Stand with the feet 2 inches apart. Focus on a point in front. Exhale, hold, and bend the right leg, then place the foot on the inner side of the left thigh. The heel should be touching the region. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms together in Namaskara Mudra. Stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds and breathe normally. Exhale, bring the arms down. Release the right leg and bring it to initial position. Repeat this asana from the left side also. The benefits of this asana are: helps to improve neuromuscular coordination, balance, endurance, alertness, and concentration. Relax. Next we have Padahastasana. Stand straight with the feet 2 inches apart. Inhale slowly and raise the arms up. Stretch up the body from the waist. Exhale and bend forward until both the arms rest on the ground. Stretch the back to make it straight as much as possible. Maintain this final posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, come up slowly to the upright position and stretch the arms straight above the head. Exhale, slowly return to the starting position in the reverse order. The benefits of this asana are: it makes the spine flexible, improves digestion, and helps in overcoming menstrual problems. Relax. Next we have Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight with feet 2 inches apart. Support the back at the side of the waist with your fingers. Try to keep the elbows parallel. Drop the head backwards, stretching the neck muscles. As you inhale, bend backwards from the lumbar region. Exhale and relax. Stay here for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale and slowly come up. Repeat once again. Benefits of Ardha Chakrasana are: the spine makes flexible and strengthens the spinal nerves and muscles. Helps in management of cervical portion. Relax. Next we have Trikonasana. Stand with your feet with 3 feet apart. Inhale slowly. Raise both the arms sideways up to shoulder level. Turn the right foot towards the right side. Exhale slowly. Bend the right side. and place the right hand fingers. Just bend to the right foot. The left arm straight in line the right arm. Turn the left arm forward. Turn your head and gaze at the tip of the middle finger. Remain in this posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, slowly come up. Repeat the same procedure from the left side. The benefits of this asana are: this makes the spine flexible, strengthens calf, thigh, and waist muscles, and improves lung capacity. Relax. We now begin with the sitting asanas. Please sit on your yoga mats in Siddhasana, Padmasana, or Sukhasana position. We begin with Baddha Padmasana. Sit straight with your legs stretched out in front of you. Keep the hand beside the hips and palms resting on the floor. Now put the soles of your feet together. Exhale and clasp your hands together over your toes. Inhale, put your heels as close as possible. If your thighs are not touching or are not close on the floor, place a soft cushion underneath. This is the final position. Stay in this position for some times with normal breathing. The benefits of this asana are: helps to keep the body firm and stabilizes the mind, helps during pregnancy and relieves abdominal pain. Next we have Vajrasana. Sit with extended legs together, hands by the side of the body, palm resting on the ground, fingers pointing forward. Fold the right leg at the knee and place the foot under the right buttock. Similarly, folding the left leg, place the left foot under the left buttock. Place both the heels so that the big toes touch each other. Position of buttocks in this space between the legs. Keep both the hands on respective knees. Keep the spine erect. Gaze in front or eyes closed. While returning to the starting position, bend a little towards right side. Take your left leg and extend it. Similarly, extend your right leg and return to the starting position. The benefits of this asana are: this asana is good for digestion,
Now turn your right
thigh
foot right
muscles,
side once again.
and calf muscles. Relax. Next we have Ardha Ustrasana. Sit in Visarmasana. Come to Dandasana. Fold your legs and sit in Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. Place the hand on the hips with fingers pointing downwards. Keep the elbows and shoulders parallel. Bend your head back and stretch the neck muscles. Inhale and bend the trunk backwards as much as possible. Now exhale and relax. Keep the thighs perpendicular to the ground. Remain in this posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Return with inhalation. Repeat the same pose. The benefits of this asana are: it helps to strengthen back and neck muscles, relieves constipation and back pain, increases blood circulation to the head and the cardiac region. Relax. Now we have Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Bring the knees and feet about few inches apart and stand on your knees. While inhaling, bend backward, place the right palm on the right heel and left palm on the left heel and exhale. Be careful not to jerk the neck while bending backward. In the final position, thighs will be vertical to the floor and head tilted backward. Weight of the body should be evenly distributed on the arms and legs. Remain in the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Return with inhalation. Relax. The benefits of this posture are Ustrasana is extremely useful for defective eyesight. This is usually in relieving back pain and neck pain. It helps to reduce fat over the abdomen and hips. It is helpful in digestive problems and cardiorespiratory disorders. Relax. We now have Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Spread both the knees wide apart. Keep the big toes touching. Inhale. Keep the palm between the knees. Exhale. Bend forward with arms outstretched and place the chin on the ground. Keep the arms parallel. Look in front and maintain the posture. And come up. Sit in Vajrasana. And repeat the same. The benefits of this posture are helps to reduce stress and anxiety, tones up reproductive organs, relieves constipation, improves digestion, and helps to relieve back pain. We now have Uttana Mandukasana, that is stretched up frog posture. Sit in Vajrasana. Spread both the knees wide apart while big toes touching each other. Raise your right arm, fold it from elbow and take it backward above the left shoulder. Place the palm on the left shoulder blade. Now, fold the left arm similarly and place the palm on the right shoulder blade. Maintain the position for a while. Then come back slowly in the reverse order. Relax and repeat the same. The benefits of this asana are this asana is helpful in back and neck pain, improves the diaphragmatic movements and lung capacity. Relax. We now do Vakrasana. Bend the right leg and place the right foot beside the left knee. Bring the left arm around the right knee and clasp the right big toe or place the palm beside the right foot. Take the right arm back and keep the palm on the ground with the back straight. Exhale, twist your body to the right. I repeat once again, bend the right leg and place the right foot beside the left knee. Bring the left arm around the right knee and clasp the right toe or place the palm beside the right foot. Take the right arm back and keep the palm on the ground with the back straight. Exhale, twist your body to the right. Remain in the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Relax. Inhale. Take out your hands and exhale to relax. Repeat the same on the other side. The benefits of this asana are helps to increase flexibility of the spine, stimulates pancreas functions and helps in management of diabetes. Relax. We now do prone postures. First is Makarasana, that is the crocodile posture. Lie down on your stomach with feet wide apart, toes pointing outward. Bend both the arms and place the right palm on the left palm. Place the head either left or right on your hands. Keep the eyes closed and relax the whole body. This is Makarasana. This asana is practiced for relaxation in all prone postures. The benefits of this asana are promotes relaxation of the whole body, helps in recovery of back problems, indicated to counter stress and anxiety. Relax and come back to the starting pose. Next we have Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, rest your head on your hands and relax the body. Now join your legs and stretch your arms. Keep the forehead on the ground. Now place your hands just beside the body. Keep palms and elbows on the ground. As you inhale slowly, lift the head and chest up to navel region without changing in the position of hands. Stay there comfortably. This is called Sarala Bhujangasana. Now come back and place your forehead on the ground. Keep your palms beside the chest and raise your elbows where they are. Inhale, slowly lift the head and chest up to the navel region. Keep the elbows parallel and maintain the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. This is Bhujangasana. Exhale, rest your forehead on the ground. Come back to Makarasana and relax. The benefits of this asana are this asana relieves stress, reduces abdominal fat, relieves constipation, helps to relieve backache and bronchial problems. Relax. Next we do Salabhasana. Lie down on your stomach in Makarasana. Rest the chin on the floor. Keep both hands beside the body, palms facing upward. Inhale. Raise the legs off the floor as much as you can without bending the knees. Extend the arms and legs well to ease lifting the body off the floor. Stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds, breathing normally. Exhale. Bring the legs down towards the floor. Rest for a few seconds in Makarasana. This asana relieves stress from lower back, helps to reduce fat in the thighs and buttocks, good in weight management, helps to improve lung capacity. Relax. come back to the starting position. We now do Setu Bandhasana, that is the bridge pose. Bend both the legs at the knees and bring the heels near the buttocks. While holding both the ankles firmly, keep the knees and feet in one straight line. Inhale, slowly raise your buttocks and trunk up as much as you can to form a bridge. Remain in this position for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Exhale, slowly return to the original position and relax. The benefits of this asana are relieves depression, anxiety, and strengthens lower back muscles, stretches abdominal organs, improves digestion, and helps to relieve constipation. Relax. Come back to the starting position.
Shavasana. Shavasana means the corpse pose. First, lie down on your back with your arms and legs comfortably apart. Palms facing upwards and close your eyes. Relax the whole body consciously. Become aware of the natural breath and allow it to become slow and shallow. Benefits: helps to relieve all kind of tensions and gives rest both to your body and mind. Relaxes the whole psychophysiological system. Slowly move your fingers and toes. Join your legs. Bring your hands close to your body. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Keep your mind calm and let all the tension, stress go out. Fold your left leg and turn. Take your hands up and come up. Slowly join your hands and rub your palms. Keep them on your eyes and massage your face, your head, take your hands on your thighs and slowly open your eyes. Close your eyes and relax whole body. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils and expand your chest. Breathe out. Do not strain. Complete this rapid breathing 3 to 4 times. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Breathe out slowly. Benefits of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati purifies the frontal air sinus, helps to overcome cough disorders. It is useful in treating cold, asthma, and bronchial infections. It strengthens the nervous system, tones up the digestive organs. Please avoid the practice of Kapalbhati in case of any cardiac conditions, high blood pressure, vertigo, or bleeding in nose. Also, do not perform this in pregnancy or during your menstrual cycle. The next pranayam is Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom Vilom Pranayam, also called as the alternative nostril breathing. First, sit in any comfortable posture. Keep the spine and head straight and your eyes should be closed. Relax the body with a few deep breaths. Now, keep the left palm on the left knee in Jana Mudra and the right palm should be in the Nasarga Mudra. Place the ring and the small finger on the left nostril and fold the middle and the index finger. Place the right thumb on the right nostril. Open the left nostril, breathe in from the left nostril. Now, close the left nostril with the small and ring finger. Release the thumb from the right nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Next, inhale through the right nostril and at the end, exhale through the left nostril by keeping the right nostril closed. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Remember, breathing should be slow, steady, and controlled. It should not be forced or restricted in any way. The benefits are reduces tranquility and helps to improve concentration, increases vitality and lower level of stress and anxiety. Relax. Join your hands. Rub your palms. Keep them on your eyes. Massage your face, your head. Slowly keep your hands on your thighs and relax. Thank you, Jay, Satyam, and Puneet. We now have a demonstration by the Cubs and Bulbuls, Scouts and Guides, and Rover and Ranger of Belgaum district. Demonstration is by Ojashwini Soman, Bulbul of Jain Heritage School. Thank you, Ojashwini. Now I call upon Janvi Jadhav, guide of Jain Heritage School. Thank you, Janvi. We now have Chirayu Mudra, Cup of Jain Heritage School, and Gunika Manglani, Bulbul of Jain Heritage School. Thank you. Next demonstration is by Rajendra Chaugule and Rajveer Tukke, Cubs of Jain Heritage School, Belagavi.
Gunika Jayaprabhu, rower from RPD College, will demonstrate different variation asanas performed by Jayaprabhu. Thank you, Jay.
Next demonstration is by Pranav Khade, Scout of Maratha Mandal High School, Belgavi. Thank you, Pranav.
Good morning, all. We are now in the preparations of bringing you to the close of this session and also to celebrate the International Day of Yoga. We just have some pre-recorded videos from our guest speakers, starting from a message from the District Chief Commissioner of Belgaum District, and in a couple of minutes he should be here with us. Just relax.
India is the birthplace with a simple thought of including Surya Namaskara, Mudras, Yoga for kids, Yoga for beginners, and we also demonstrated complex yogasanas. It was an amazing journey of 7 days of yoga, ending with International Yoga Day at Jain Heritage School. We are proud to have Sri Gajanan Mandikeri Sir, District Chief Commissioner, Belagavi, among us today. I request him to kindly speak a few words.
ವಿಶ್ವ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಜೂನ್ 21ರಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಪೂರ್ವಭಾವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಘಟಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 15ರಿಂದ ಇದೇ ಜೂನ್ 15ರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಜೂನ್ 21ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 7:30ವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ದಿನಾಲು ಪ್ರಾತ್ಯಕ್ಷಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲೈವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಹೊತ್ತು ದಿನಾಂಕ 21ರಂದು ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ರೂಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪಿ.ಜೆ. ಶಿಂದೆ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು ಸಮಸ್ತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ನಲ್ಕರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜೈನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದಿನಾಲು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದು 7:30ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಚಾಚು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು ವಾರಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನರು ಇದರ ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲೈವ್ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿವೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತರು ಶ್ರೀ ಪಿ.ಜೆ. ಶಿಂದೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು ನಾನು ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದಿನಾಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾತ್ಯಕ್ಷಿಕೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇತರರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ದೇಹ ಏಕಾತ್ಮತೆಯ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹವನ್ನ ಸುಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಯೋಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir. Jain Heritage School has always given opportunities to children to shine bright. We are really thankful to have the director of Jain Heritage School, Shraddha ma'am, among us today. I request ma'am to kindly speak a few words.
Very good morning to one and all. I welcome you all to Jain Heritage School. Today we are conducting International Yoga Day. For this session, we are conducting different sessions throughout the week from morning 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. We are going live, and as we can see that a lot of participation was there during the complete week. We had our students coming in especially to conduct these sessions in the morning at the school, and I'm very glad that students participated and they have learned so much during this week. We conducted different sessions on Surya Namaskar, meditation, mudras, and many more things we covered during the complete week. I'm so much grateful to PGR Sindhya Sir, Chief Commissioner of Bharatan Scouts and Guides, for have given Jain Heritage School an opportunity to be a part of this International Yoga Day sessions. And I'm also very grateful to Shri Gajanan Manikeri, DDPI Chikodi, and Chief Commissioner Bharat Scouts and Guides Belgavi, who has always been a constant support for us in the matters of how to conduct different activities of Scouts and Guides. And also we have Shri Madhusudan Alvarez, who has been seen that we get a lot of connectivity for online to make this program successful. And we also have Mrs. Patil, Guide Commissioner Belgavi, who has been helping us out to carry on all these programs. And we always at our side, we have Mr. Vittal and Akhtar, DOC Belgavi, who take so much of keen interest in conducting these kind of sessions. And they are so much selfless in their approach. I think they've been working from day and night over here to conduct and plan these sessions throughout the week, and calling different kind of celebrities throughout the week to conduct these sessions. And nonetheless, I don't think this program would have been curated so well without Mrs. Pallavi Nadkarni, who has been an active lady in conducting Scouts and Guides in our school. And we have always seen that she has conducted all the activities so beautifully. What I would urge the people is that health is wealth, and if you have good health, then you can fight away any kind of illness. And during this pandemic, I think everybody has realized that we need to see that we keep our surroundings, maintain hygiene, and also see that we are having good health. So I think there is no better thing than practicing yoga. I think it gives a complete solution to your mind, body, and soul. So I urge everybody to practice yoga and be healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We also have Principal, Jain Heritage School, Dr. Manjeet Jain among us, who has been a supporting pillar to the yoga sessions. I request sir to kindly speak a few words.
Good morning, everyone. The tradition of India is being witnessed, is being respected across the globe. The yoga is not an Indian term, it's a global term now. We are proud to be an Indian. We are from a country which has introduced yoga to the world, and it has become the modern fitness mantra. Wherever you've been, either an athlete or whatever you are, player, you are cricketer, you are footballer, yoga has become must. All the corporate sector people, any community, wherever you go, the yoga is source, is mantra for your fitness. Fitness not only physical but your mental also. From Surya Namaskar to Pranayam, there are a lot of asanas which will keep you fit, fine. And Shastras have also told, Pehla Sukh Nirogi Kaya. Whatever wealth you have in the world, but if you are not fit and fine, nothing can work for you. So on this auspicious day, I wish all the best to youngsters, to my students, across the world, all citizens, be a part of this. It will keep you fit and fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Now we have our State Chief Commissioner Shri P.K. Sindhya joining us live from Bangalore. I request Sindhya sir to kindly give his concluding remarks. Sir, over to you.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿವಸದ ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಯೋಗ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸಿನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣಿಕೇರಿಯವರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರು ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಶಾಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. ಜೈನ್ ಸಮುದಾಯದವರು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವೈಕ್ಯತಾ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾರವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಮಂಜಿತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ವಹಿಸಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯೋಗ ದಿನವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಯೋಗ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸನಗಳಿವೆ, ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಇದೆ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಇದೆ, ಆಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಿತವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ, ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಸಹಿತ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಳೀಬಹುದು. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಅನುಭವಿಸದೇ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಭಾರತೀಯರಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ಮಾನವ ಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಈ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ 6.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಯೋಗ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಝೂಮ್ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮಣ್ಣಿಕೇರಿಯವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣಿಕೇರಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಜೈನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ನಮಗೆ ಆಧಾರ ಸ್ತಂಭವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಧುಸೂದನ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯುವಕರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಧುಸೂದನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾರಣ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸಂಘಟಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಹೋದರ ಅತ್ತಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರ ವಿಠಲ್ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸಹಸ್ರಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ರೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ, ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಸಹಿತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈನ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.